In this video, I am doing something totally out of my comfort zone, pulling my first ever all-nighter. I am usually that early morning study type, not a late night person at all. But tonight, it's all about coffee, chaos, and pure hustle energy. Let's see if I can actually make it till sunrise. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we're gonna pull an all-nighter. Yes, ये मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार होने वाला है बिकॉज ये मैं पहली बार ट्राई करने वाली हूँ. मैंने आज तक पहले कभी भी ऑल नाइटर तो पुल किया है बट ऐसे ऑन कैमरा नहीं किया है. मैं अपने स्कूल टाइम में किया करती थी, उसके बाद 2 साल से तो मैंने रात में जगना ही छोड़ दिया है. पढ़ने के लिए मैं फोन चलाती हूँ बट पढ़ने के लिए तो बिल्कुल नहीं जगती हूँ रात में. सो यस, टुडे वी गोना पुल एन ऑल नाइटर और आज मैं आप लोगों को भी साथ में लेके जाने वाली हूँ टू शो यू ऑल कि मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. इज इट गोना बी वर्थ इट और मैं टाइम पास करने वाली हूँ. चलो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So here I just made this super major to-do list, like आज का पूरा plan, because I was in that productive zone, I actually wanted to pull an all-nighter tonight, so I thought okay, let's just make another separate to-do list for the night session too. And honestly, I love writing to-do list. It just clears my mind. When everything's in your head, you feel so messy, but जब आप इसे लिख लेते हो ना, what you want to do, what you have to do, suddenly everything feels more organized. Plus, taking task off gives that mini dopamine rush, like yes, I did that. It motivates you to keep going. So yeah, I divided my list into small chunks like study goals, little things, and break time I wanted to complete before sleeping, and the first thing on my list was chemistry. I picked up my NCERT and my Oswald question bank because I had planned to do that. At least 30 minutes of pure reading and understanding the chapter. Now, to stay focused, I used this amazing app called Flocus. It's available on Google Play. It helps you set a timer and even choose background sounds. There are so many options: ocean wave, cafe ambience, classroom, rain, cafe, like proper ASMR study vibes. I personally love the cafe one. It literally feels like you are studying somewhere aesthetic and all. So next, I started doing my maths lecture. Actually, this chapter I had already done before, but कुछ concept थे जो बार बार confuse कर रहे थे. So I thought, okay, let's just rewatch it. It's a 3-hour lecture. Like I had already watched 1.5 hours in the morning, and now I was finishing the rest. But honestly, guys, at this point, I was like, जो इंसान सुबह उठ के पढ़ता हो वो रात में क्या ही कर रहा है जग के. Like I was literally fighting with sleep, trying to act productive while my brain was like, nope, shut down, mode on. You know that moment when you convince yourself you will just study 5 minutes more and 2 seconds later you are scrolling. That was me, but at least I tried. Okay, efforts count, guys. So at this point I was like, okay, I need coffee. Like literally I was dying for coffee because मेरी आंखें बंद हो रही थी और मन कर रहा था बस क्विट कर दूँ. But then coffee came to the rescue as always. And guys, I have to share my coffee recipe because I love it and my family does too. Honestly, I think I have become an expert now. Actually no, I am an expert, okay. So this is my special hostel version coffee, totally Jugadu style because I don't have a coffee machine. So what I do is I take a bottle or any glass. Here I was taking, like I took this Szechuan wala bottle with a wide cap, add a good amount of coffee and sugar, thoda sa pani dalo and then shake until it's all frothy and creamy. That's the fun part. Then just pour it into a cup, add cold milk or ice, totally optional, mix it up and boom, your cafe style coffee is ready. Then I took my cup, went to the balcony and it was literally pura andhera outside, super calm, no noise, just me, my coffee and the peaceful night vibe. It was my little break moment and honestly I needed that. And let me just tell you, ये दुख यहीं ख़त्म नहीं होता. It was just 2 AM. Like seriously, what did I even say at the beginning? I am pulling an all-nighter, bro. अभी आधी रात भी ख़त्म नहीं हुई थी and I was already half dead. So yes, after my coffee break, I went back to my room, all confident again. Like yes, I got this, and I opened my physics notebook. I started a new chapter called Modern Physics, and oh my God, why is physics always out here plotting against us? Anyways, I started watching the lecture pretending like I totally understood everything, but inside I was like, what even is happening right now? Still, I tried to focus because commitments to my to do list, and honestly, that's the real all nighter vibe. Half sleepy, half motivated, full confused, but still going on somehow. That's me in nutshell. And then finally around 4 a.m. I somehow completed like 2 or maybe 2.5 hours of my physics lecture. I was watching it at 1.25x speed, but trust me, speed up करने का कोई फायदा नहीं था because I had to pause again and again to write formulas, make notes and solve numericals. So basically पूरा lecture complete ही नहीं हुआ. At this point I was half bored, half brain dead, and I was like, okay, I need a change. So I switched my subject and opened my maths notes. Not the full notes, but my quick revision page that I make for every chapter and subject I study. It's like my go-to thing जब concentration zero हो जाता है. You don't need to think much, just revise and feel like you are still being productive. Honestly, it was getting too much. I mean, I am not a night person at all, and I know if I don't sleep now, my whole next day routine will be ruined. But I am still proud of myself. Like, at least I made it till 5:30, right? If you ask me whether I'll do it this again, please ask me after I take a nap, because right now I am done with life. Anyways, that's it for today's vlog. Tell me in the comment section, have you ever tried pulling an all-nighter, and how long did you survive? Okay then, see you in the next one. Bye bye.